Welcome to OSR YouTube channel.
OSR Easy Learning. In this video, we will be covering Chapter 2 Long and Short of NCERT Book 4 textbook Math Magic for Class 4. We will be using some extra material for easy understanding and proper development of skills. Our endeavor is to keep the video simple and interesting. You are advised to get the corresponding hard copy of book or download it from NCERT website at https://ncert.nic.in/textbook.php. Measurement of length and distance. Length tells us how long or small a particular thing is. For example, dog is 120 centimeter long, bus is 6 meters long, snake is 4 feet long. Distance tells us how far apart two things are. For example, distance between Delhi and Agra is around 250 kilometers. In other words, length is measurement of a particular thing and distance is measurement between two things. Both length and distance are measured in same units like centimeter, meter, kilometer, inch, feet, mile, etc. Length and distance can be compared with respect to or relative to something else. For this we use relative terms like longer, shorter, bigger, etc. For example, snake is longer than dog but shorter than bus. Units of measurement of length and distance. Both can be measured in either US standard system or metric system. Both these are shown alongside. So you need to remember these two units. Please pause the video to familiarize yourself with these units. How far apart are the dots? For this game, please pause this video and get a scale. Are you back with the scale? Yes? Then please closely observe the markings on scale to understand how much is 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 1 inch, 5 inch and 10 inches. Ready? Now guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeters is it? Now measure it with the help of a scale. Did you guess it right? Now since you are ready with understanding of how long is 1 centimeter, 5, 10 centimeter, 1 inch, 5 inches and 10 inches, please pick any 2 points on your screen and try to guess the distance between them. Measure it to verify it. Okay guys? Which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? Check your answer. Guess guys? Tip for you. Farthest distance is across the diagonal. Look for points that are closest to the vertex. Measure distance between 2 points that are diagonally opposite and close to the vertex. This should give you the answer. Please try it now. Try to measure distance between OH, GK and GM and see which one is highest. Now, which two dots are nearest to each other? Check your answer. So you need to just see. So please measure distance between any two closest points like CK, MF, OD and tell which one is the least. Children can play this game in pairs, making dots on plain sheet and asking their partner to guess the distance. This can also be extended to estimating bigger distances on the floor. Shorter and longer. We have already gone through this. Now Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. Birbal, here is a line, make it shorter without erasing. Birbal was smart. He drew a bigger line and said, now your line is shorter. Now look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. How can you be as smart as Birbal? Make his line shorter without erasing it? Just think, is there any longest line? So there is no longest line, always longer is possible. Now try this in your notebook. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than left arm. So this is the figure you have to draw. Yes, like that. Draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. So similar way, you have to draw 1 centimeter smaller cup, right? Question 3 is draw a broom half as long as this broom. So you don't have to make it 1 centimeter long or 2 centimeter, just half of that length. Okay. Now draw another hair of double the length. So you just have to make one more hair which is almost double, right? Now this page has a simple exercise that you should be able to do easily and with fun. We are including here just for completeness of course material, guys. Nothing more than that. Now how tall have you grown? Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Do you remember how long you were? Yes, I was 137. This is an example. Do you think you have grown taller? Yes, now I am 144 centimeter tall. How much? 144 minus 137, that's 7 centimeters height has increased. Have your friends also grown taller? Yes, they too have grown taller. This is just an example. Now find out and fill the table below. So you can fill something like this, your friends and their height last year, this year, how much they have grown. Tall, taller and tallest. Thampa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Thampa's height. How tall is Thampa? Calculate fast, guys. It is 272 by 2, that is 136 centimeters. Imagine, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Definitely no. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? Maybe yes. The long and short of your family. It's specific to your family. Everyone will have different answers here, guys. So it's just a sample. Who is the tallest in your family? My dad. He is 176 centimeter tall. Who is shortest in your family? It's me. I am just 144 centimeter. What is the difference between their heights? My dad is 176 minus 141, that is 35 centimeters taller than me. Race. This is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finish line. She is about 6 meters from it. Behind her is Rihanna. Konkana and Uma are running behind Rihanna. Look at the picture. To answer the questions below, choose from these distances: 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters and 15 meters. Now in a running race, the first athlete whose torso reaches the vertical plane of the closest edge of finish line is the winner. For simplicity, in this example, distance is measured from front tip of the foot. Okay guys, now how far is Rihanna from Arundhati? Take your scale and measure it. It's a little over 3 meters, so our best answer choice is 3 meters. How far ahead is Rihanna from Konkana and Uma? Again use your scale. Rihanna is little over 6 meters ahead of Konkana and Uma. How far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? Konkana and Uma are 15 meters from finishing line. Have you heard about a 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? Do you remember that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half a kilometer? So you can say in a 1500 meter race people run how many kilometers, guys? Yes, 1.5. In a 3000 meter race people run how many kilometers? Yes, it's just 3 kilometers. Have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? People run marathons on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. 10 rounds of a stadium track is how many kilometers then? 400 into 10, that is 4 kilometers. So if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete how many rounds? Yes, Yes, guys, 100 rounds. Long jump. Now look at the picture. This is the long jump for boys. Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters and 40 centimeters. Gurjeet is second. His jump is 20 centimeters less than Dhanu's. Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeters less than Gurjeet's jump. Now, how long are Gurjeet and Gopi's jump? You can pause the video here and calculate. Reduce 20 centimeters from Dhanu's jump to get Gurjeet's jump. So Gurjeet jumps 3 meters and 20 centimeters. Now reduce 5 centimeters from Gurjeet's jump to get Gopi's jump. So Gopi jumps 3 meters and 15 centimeters. Right, guys? There is no correct or incorrect answer to it. Responses would vary by individuals in this exercise. You need to record below your records by performing them in an open field. Try and see how far you can jump in meters, how far you can throw a ball, that too in meters. Look for a big ball like a football or volleyball. How far can you kick it? Just record it here. Jump records. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. Please have a look at this table. Closely observe. Pause the video if you want. Now remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now find out from the table how many centimeters more should Chandra Pal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump. Now you have to look at this table again. Okay? Look at the record highlighted. We are looking at the highlighted record. World record is 2 meter 45 centimeters or 245 centimeters, and his record is 2 meter 17 centimeter 217 centimeter. So to equal world record he should jump another 28 centimeters. How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? Look at the table, guys. Find the record, the highlighted one. Please look at the highlighted record. Bobby's record is 1 meter and 91 centimeter, 191 centimeter. To reach 200 centimeter, she needs to jump another 9 centimeters. Galenia's long jump is nearly 7 meters, 7.5, 8 meters. Yes, please look at the table and find out the record. Where is it? Yes, it's here. Please look at the highlighted record. Do you remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters? So 50 centimeters is half a meter. So Galenia's long jump is nearly 7.5 meters. Okay, guys? Look at the women's world record. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Look back at the table. Find the record. Where is it? Yes, the highlighted one. Please look at the highlighted records. Long jump is 752 centimeter and high jump is 290. So difference between longest jump and highest jump is how much? 462 centimeter or 4 meter 62 centimeter. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. Now where is his record, Mike P? It's here. Okay. So what does it say? Please look at the highlighted record, guys. Mike already jumps 895 centimeters. So to jump another 900, how much he needs? 5 centimeters only. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? Stefa K, Chandrapal, Xavier S, Bobby A. So again you have to look at the records and look at high jump records for both men and women. Look at the highlighted record. Okay, in men's, Xavier record is closest to 2.5 meters. Running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took 1 round of this field. How far did he run? So each side is 500 meters, right? So sum of all 4 sides is 500 into 4, that is 2000 meters or 2 kilometers. So Devi Prasad ran 2 kilometers. The field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long, round park. How many rounds of the path must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? So each side is one lap is 400 meters, right? So rounds to complete is how much? 2000 by 400 is 5 rounds. So one day the weather was very good and cold breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired. After 8 rounds, that day he ran how much kilometers? And how many meters? So 8 rounds, right? 4 into 8, 400 into 8. So 400, 8 rounds, that is 3200 meters or 3 kilometers and 200 meters. Right, guys? Now this is Qutub Minar. How many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. About how many meters high is your classroom? Yes, do you know, guys? Okay, our classroom is around 3 meters high. This is average actually. Guess how many rooms one on top of other will be equal to Qutub Minar? So 72 by 3. That's simple. Number of floors 72 by 3, that's 24. So Qutub Minar is around 24 floors high. Explain how you made a guess. This is the place where you have to tell. So now most of the buildings have each floor 9 to 10 feet or around 3 meters high. Okay, guys, please remember this. Or we can also mark 3 feet on the wall and then guess how many times is the floor taller than this 3 feet mark. From Kozhikode to Talaseri. So look at this picture. Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjani is going to Talaseri, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. How far is Kozhikode from Talaseri? Yes? Okay, so Talaseri we go 46 kilometers and in the opposite direction is Kozhikode 24 kilometers. So total is 24 plus 46, that is 70 kilometers. Now since they are in opposite directions, distances can be added. 24 plus 46, 70 kilometers. Now how far is your home from school? Look at this picture, guys. Moman comes to school from very far. He first walks around 400 meters to the pond with slippers in his hand. He then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next he runs across the 350-meter wide green field. Then he carefully crosses 40 meters wide road to reach his school. Okay, how much does Moman walk every day to reach school? So you have to sum all these, right? Okay, so Moman walks 400 meters, then 150 meters, then 350 meters, and finally 40 meters to reach his school. So total distance is 400 plus 150 plus 350 plus 40, 940 meters. Is it more than 1 kilometer? Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So the distance is not more than 1 kilometer. Here we are continuing from the previous slide. So find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table. So this is very personal and specific to you. Now you have to write in meters or kilometers. This is a sample table that we have done it for you. You need to please pause the video and fill out this table with details of your friends. We have filled out a sample table and we'll be using data in this table for the exercise. Okay guys, please pause and fill out your own table. Now who amongst you lives nearest to the school? So as per this table, Purva stays closest, just 200 meters away. Who lives farthest from the school? Okay, again referencing the sample table, Gurpreet stays farthest 9 kilometers away. How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? Okay, so in this sample table, it is 4 children, Aditya, Purva, Kim and Rohit, who stay less than 1 kilometer from school. Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometers away from the school? And how do they come to school? Let's see the sample table. Here we have Tausif and Gurupreet stay more than 5 kilometers from school. Both of them come by school bus. So now this exercise has been done based on this sample table and sample data. Please fill out your own table and then answer the questions for your table. Okay? Guess and find out how long is the thread in a reel. Thread reel length varies from company to company. Generally, it is around 150 meters. How long is the string of a kite reel? Can it be more than a kilometer long? Okay. Kite reel is longer in length as kite flies long distance. Generally, a roll is 1000 meter in length. Some reels are over 1 kilometer in length. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would that thread be? Here please pause the video and go through it multiple times. Now it depends on the size of the handkerchief and also on the thread count. Thread count means number of threads per inch, both horizontal as well as vertical. So for the thread count of 200, there will be 100 threads vertical and 100 threads horizontal. Okay guys, a normal handkerchief is 12-inch long and 12-inch wide and has thread count of 200. So it has 100 horizontal threads and in an inch, and all these threads are 12 inches long. So an inch of handkerchief will have 12 into 100 inch of horizontal threads. Since there are 12 such inches, as handkerchief is 12-inch wide, total horizontal threads in a handkerchief is equal to 12 into 100 into 12 is 14,400 inches. Same length will be for vertical threads too. So total length of thread in such a handkerchief is 14,402, that is 28,800 inch. Please pause this video and go through it multiple times. I wish I were. This is a nice poem. I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above the building's height. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. So the author of this wants to fly higher and higher and higher. Now getting back to the exercise, try to find out which is the highest building that you have seen. About how many rooms high was it? Think. So answer it on your own guys, as everyone will have a different answer. How high can a kite go? Can it go higher than Qutub Minar? Now this we will answer for you because this has some details. Kites can go very high, much higher than Qutub Minar. World record is 12,471 feet, around 55 times higher than Qutub Minar. How high can a plane fly? Can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? Let's see. So an aeroplane flies over 33,000 feet. Height of Mount Everest is around 29,000 feet. So an aeroplane can fly higher than Mount Everest. Have you ever seen clouds below you? That's interesting. Have you seen, guys? I have seen clouds below me at hill station of Himachal Pradesh. I also saw clouds below me from an aeroplane window. This brings us to the end of this learning video. Thank you for watching. We are a fast growing channel and we post new learning videos regularly. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our channel. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your likes and subscribes give us an extra drive to keep going at a strong pace. Thank you.